This video shows you how to fix engine code P0134 in the easiest, quickest, and cheapest way. 2 practical solutions to fix the P0134 error code. 2 simple DIY solutions to repair P0134. I am having a problem with my car. The engine light stays on after starting the engine. Now the fuel consumption is much higher after the check engine light comes on. First, I will check faulty code with Scan Computer. How to fix P0134 engine code. Oxygen sensor prove no activity detected. Bank 1 sensor 1. 2 method to fix P0134 error code. Method A. The MAF Sensor. The job of the MAF sensor is to measure the amount of oxygen entering the engine and send a signal to the engine ECU. Proton persona look at the MAF sensor in this car. This is the MAF sensor in this place. Now I will open this MAF sensor and take it out. I took out the MAF sensor and found that it was very dirty. If the MAF sensor is covered in dirt like this, it has trouble measuring how much oxygen is coming in and sends incorrect data signals to the engine ECU. I will clean the MAF sensor thoroughly with air intake cleaner spray. Dry the MAF sensor thoroughly. Wipe the MAF sensor thoroughly with tissue paper or a clean cotton cloth and dry it. See, the MAF sensor is now completely clean. Now I reinstalled the MAF sensor. Method B. The oxygen sensor. An upstream oxygen sensor, O2 sensor, is a crucial engine component located in the exhaust system before the catalytic converter, designed to measure oxygen in the raw exhaust gas to help the car's computer adjust the air-fuel mixture for optimal performance, fuel economy, and emissions, often working in a rapid feedback loop with the engine control unit, ECU, to maintain balance. P013 for the reason for the fault code is a problem with this upstream oxygen sensor. Before opening the oxygen sensor, check the wiring connections to see if there are any problems with the wiring connections. There is no problem with the oxygen sensor wiring and connection socket. Now I will remove the car's oxygen sensor. I will take it out to change the oxygen sensor. I took out the oxygen sensor. Now I'll install a new oxygen sensor. Install the new oxygen sensor as tightly as possible. Make sure there are no problems while installing the oxygen sensor. I plugged in the oxygen sensor wire socket. 2 method to fix error code P0134 oxygen sensor prove bank 1 sensor 1 malfunction. To clear the fault code, keep the ignition key switch in the on position. Now I will click on the clear fault code. Condition ignition switch on, press enter. Fault code clear conditions ignition switch off and then on. I switched off the ignition. I turned the ignition switch on again. Press enter to continue. Press red fault code again. OK, fault code clear. Now is no fault code. Now I will start the car engine. After starting the car engine, the check engine light is no longer on. Thank you very much for watching the full video.